Hi everyone. Okay, so let's look at absolute values equation. So equation means equal sign. Okay, it doesn't involve any inequalities yet. So we just play around question with equations. So absolute values equation. Okay, first thing first, recap back the piecewise function here. Okay, this is the formal definition of absolute value x. Okay, this piecewise function give the same meaning as the box in the yellow box here. Okay, what does it mean? Give the same meaning. That mean if we have modulus x equals to a, we can also write it as x equals to a or x equals to negative a. So that's why I circle this one. The reason why I circle the or here is because when you want to solve absolute values equation, means you get an absolute value equal to some value here, for example a, you will solve it into, you split it into x equals to a and write it down, or x equals to negative a. Remember, must use or in your solution. Okay, if you want to solve absolute value, absolute value equal to a, absolute value equation, okay, must use or, don't use and. Okay, must use or here because of the definition here. Okay, so clear. So this is the first one. The yellow box is very important. And then we go to general forms of absolute values equation. Okay, here you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 types of general form of absolute values equation. There are 4 types or 4 general forms. The first one is modulus ax plus b equals to c. C is constant. And then modulus ax plus b equals to cx plus d, means right hand side and left hand side are linear. This one is left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side is linear, right hand side is constant. This one is left hand side is linear, right hand side also linear. The third one is the left hand side is quadratic because power of 2. The right hand side is constant. The fourth type is rational, simple rational. Okay, simple rational. And the right hand side usually will become constant. Okay, there are 4 types, but the one that you need to emphasize or focus more is this one. Let me select and highlight. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, general form 1 and 2. Okay, so let's look at example 2. Solve the following equation for case 1. Our case 1 is this one. Case 1, modulus ax plus b equals to c. Linear on the left hand side, constant on the right hand side. Okay, so let's look at example 2a for case 1. Okay, for example, you are given modulus 3x equals to 5. Modulus 3x equals to 5. So how to solve it? First thing first, you need to separate into 2, which means you need to write 3x equals to 5, 3x equals to negative 5. Follow the definition here. Okay, x equals to a, or x equals to negative a. So we have 3x equals to 5 or 3x equals to negative 5. And then you solve x equals to 5 over 3. 3ax equals to negative 5 over 3. So you have to answer here. X equals to 5 over 3 or x equals to negative 5 over 3. Okay, you need to put R here. It's a mandatory because we have two answers, either 5/3 or -5/3. So let's look at B. So 2/5 modulus x equals to 10. So first thing first, you can either bring the constant to the right first, or you can just directly split it into 2. So in this case, I want to split into 2. So 2/5 x equals to 10. 2/5 x equal to -10. Just change the sign here. Awak hanya perlu tukar sign pada belah kanan. Okay, see here, 5 -5. The one here is same as in the modulus. X still the same. Okay, just change the sign on the right hand side. The left hand side never change the sign. Okay, follow the definition. Okay, let's go. Let's solve it. So x equals to 10 times 5/2. This one, x equals to -10 times 5/2. So what did I forgot here? R. Okay, so R. Okay, solve x equals to x equals to 5. Oh, sorry. X equals to 10 times 5, 50. 50/2, 25. Or x equals to -25. Okay, so this is our answer. Sorry, this is our answer for both equation. Okay, so now we go to case number 2. Case number 2, as you can see here, left hand side constant, right hand side constant. Okay, not constant, sorry. Left hand side linear, right hand side linear equation. Okay, so same thing, we need to split into 2. So 7 minus 2x equals to 5 minus x. Another one, just copy everything inside the modulus here, equals to this one, -5 minus x. So you will get -2x plus x equals to 5 minus 7. You will get -x minus 2. X equals to 2. Another one is the left hand side, 7 minus 2x equals to -5 plus x. So -2x minus x, -5 minus 7. So you will get -12 here. This is -3x. X is equals to -12 over -3. X equals to 4. Don't forget, write the answer or here. Okay, or. So you have to answer. Your answer. Sorry. Your answer would be x equals to 2 or x equals to 4. Okay, so this is your answer. Let's look at case 3. Case 3 is ax squared plus bx plus c. So the left hand side here is quadratic, right hand side constant or a number. Okay, so kita cuba selesaikan. Modulus x square minus 5 equals to 3. Same thing, split into 2. So x square minus 5 equals to 3. Another one, x square minus 5 equals to -3. Just change the right hand side. Let me write all first. Okay, so continue. So we need to solve it. X square minus 5 minus, sorry, okay. So x square minus 5 minus 3 equals 0. X square minus 8 equals 0. So x square equals to 8. This one, x square minus 5 plus 3 equals 0. X square equals to negative 2 equals 0. X square equals to 2. So how to solve for x? We need to squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Okay. But don't forget, when you square both sides, put the plus minus sign. Okay. So let me write it in a better way. Okay. So this one cancel out, become x equals to plus minus third 8. This one cancel out, third and square root. X equals to plus minus square root 2. Okay, this one we can simplify. Plus minus square root 4 times 2. So we get x equals to plus minus 2 third 2. So this one cannot be simplified anymore. Okay, so our final answer here would be x equals to positive positive 2 third 2, negative 2 third 2, and then here positive third 2, negative third 2. You also can just delete this positive sign. So this is the answer. Final answer will be this one. Okay. Okay, next we go to case number 4. Case number 4 here, as you can see, it is a rational, simple rational. On the left hand side, right hand side constant. Same thing, split into 2. So I will get 4 over x plus 7 equals to 7. Don't change the left hand side. Just copy everything inside the modulus. Modulus is 4. Inside the modulus is 4 over x plus 7. So just copy back and then change the right hand side to negative 7. Solve it. So when you solve it, you will get 4 equals to 7x plus 49. So I will get 7x equals to negative 45. Okay, so x would be negative 45 over 7. Okay, so here I will get negative 7x minus 49 equals to 4. Okay, let me remind you again. So what do you need to do with this one? The denominator, we bring it, we multiply with the right hand side. Same thing as this one. X plus 7 multiply with 7. So in this one, I already switched the position. Okay, so please check the answer for me as well. So negative 7x equals to 4 plus 49. We'll get 53. So x would be negative 53 over 7. So our final answer would be, okay, I always forgot to put R here. Okay, so our final answer would be x equals to negative 45 over 7, negative 53 over 7. Okay, so that's all the example for the 4 cases of general form of absolute value equation. There are 4. Okay, so I hope that you will understand the example that I've given, and please focus more on this one, case 1 and also case number 2, because this is inside your syllabus. The 3 and 4 is for general knowledge, so you will see 3 and 4 again in PST. Okay, So that's all for me. Thank you.